Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see how to solve coding problems with Stack Overflow. Being a developer or researcher, we always face and stuck with some or other coding problems. But believe me guys, Stack Overflow is the best option to find answer for all your coding questions. So let's see practically how you can do this. So write in Google Stack Overflow and click on the first link. Once you click on the link, you have to join with your Google email ID. So once you join, you can see the home page of Stack Overflow. You can see different questions, the tags and the users. This is one of the best online platform to search questions for your coding. You must take a tour of Stack Overflow where it makes you understand how it works. I'll provide the link in description for your reference. So it is a very good platform where you ask questions and your fellow colleagues or the people who have already faced such kind of problem, so they'll post the answers for your question. You can see you just have to write a question and then someone will help you with the answers. And if the answer work, then it will be get upvoted. You can ask even practical and detailed questions and you can get a clear answer to that. There are also some don'ts about like how you can work with Stack Overflow. They mention like you must try to find an answer for yourself before you come up with the question. So just tag the question with the right tags so that it will reach to community of people who are already expertise in this field. For example, if you have some question related to Python or pandas, just post and tag it accordingly. And how it works. You earn reputation, that is votes, when people vote on your post. Like for each question you get +10, and if the answer you provided, you also get +10. If your answer is accepted, you get +15. So in this way, you build up a reputation profile where you can vote up and consider having a good reputation on Stack Overflow. There are different number of solutions, different number of answers provided to particular question. So just have a tour of the Stack Overflow to understand how it works. I'll try to show you practically how it works. For example, I'm looking forward to merge two data frame in pandas, and you can see these are the options which comes with the highest with the Stack Overflow. When you click on this, you can see like there are already posted questions and there are some answers provided to it. This shows that the answer is accepted. As I mentioned, it is the number of the votes and it shows the answer is accepted. So you can see there are different variants of the answer that you can see in this question. So this is one of the best website. We can try even other options, other answers that have been provided. Can you see the tag? These tags are important while you are posting your question, and these are the different solutions. So try to read the question. If you are facing such similar kind of problem, just try to work with these solutions, and believe me friends, it works always. And I cannot imagine my life when I'm working on any program or trying to develop any code without Stack Overflow. It is very well recommended. You'll find solutions to all of your questions if you are performing any coding task. Hope you enjoyed my short video regarding Stack Overflow, which will help you out in solving all your coding problems. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.